Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, I will show you to create icon boxes at equal height. Here you can see this one is an example that are using different height. So let's see how we can fix this issue. So now we can go and try to install a plugin Happy Add-on. Now let's go and click on Edit with Elementor. Now here we can go and try to edit this inner section. Then let me go here, and here you can see this one equal height feature. So this one is enabled icon box ElementsKit Iconbox. So if I scroll down, here you can see this is still not working. So simply you can go here and after that enable this feature equal height. Then again enable. Now here you can see this one is fixed.